Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, learners. Welcome to Dressmaking 7 and 8. The topic is identifying tools and equipment for dressmaking. So, are you ready for a new lesson? Well, mashallah, that's good. Today, you'll be grateful. Why? We are going to learn specifically on how to identify tools and equipment for dressmaking. By the way, I am Jamaliah Manggis, Tailor teacher from Datu Palawan di Sumimba Memorial National High School, Division of Lanao del Sur 1. So before we start, prepare your module, notebook, pencil, and ball pen. So now, let us classify first what are the tools and equipment for dressmaking. Let's begin. There are classification of sewing tools and equipment for dressmaking. We have measuring tools, cutting tools, marking tools, and sewing tools. Sewing tools are those which don't require the use of electricity. There are tools that are used manually by hand, and there are also sewing equipment that would be heavy items such as the machine itself. Let us start from the different measuring tools. Our different measuring tools are L-square, tape measure, yardstick, roller, seam gauge, hip curve, and French square. Number 1 in measuring tools, we have L-square. It divides the garment into the desired measurement. It is perfect square and is useful in making straight lines and numbers. Number 2, tape measure. It is used in taking body measurements. Fiberglass tape is commonly used by professional dressmakers. Number 3, yardstick. It is used for general marking and for measuring fabric green line when laying out the pattern. Number 4 is roller. It is used for general marking. It aids in connecting lines. Number 5 is seam gauge. This measuring tool helps make quick, accurate measurements for hems, buttonholes, scallops, and pleats. Number 6, hip curve. This tool is used in connecting and shaping curve points. And number 7, French curve. This is used to shape the depth of the neck, hole, and armhole of the pattern. At this point, let's talk about cutting tools. Our cutting tools are trimming scissor, cutting shears, seam ripper, pinking shears or scalloping shears, thread cleaver, stitch ripper, embroidery scissor, leather shears, rotary cutter, bent handle or dressmaker's shears. Number 1 is trimming scissor, 5 to 6 inches long, which are used for clipping threads. Number 2, cutting shears. These are made of quality steel and hold a sharp cutting edge. Shears have the length of 7 to 12 inches and are satisfactory for most apparel fabrics. Number 3, seam ripper. Who quickly rip seams, open buttonholes, and removes stitches. This should be used carefully to avoid piercing the fabric. Number 4. Painting shears or scalloping shears. This is popular in zigzagging or scalloped edge or for seam finishes. This is used to finish seams and raw edges or many types of fabric. Number 5. Thread cleaver. It is used for sniping threads. Number 6. Stitch ripper. This is smaller than seam ripper and it is can cut stitches close to the fabric. Number 7. Embroidery scissor. It has 4 to 5 inches finely tapered blades. Both points are sharp for use in working with the fine details in delicate fabrics and in embroidery work. Number 8. Leather shears. These are used for cutting leather and suede. It has heavy serrated edge. Number 9. Rotary cutter. It is an adaptation of the giant rotary cutter used by the garment industry. It works like a pizza cutter and can be used by left or right-handed sewers. The rotary cutter is available in different sizes with different blades. When using a rotary cutter, work on the cutting mat to protect the blade and the cutting surface. Number 10. Pen-handled dressmaker's shears. These are made of quality steel and hold a sharp cutting edge. The blades move easily and cut smoothly along the entire length and the points should come together. Shears have the length of 7 to 12 inches and are satisfactory for most apparel fabrics. Let us proceed to marking tools. Our marking tools are Tailor chalk, dressmaker's pencil, tracing wheel, dressmaker's carbon paper, and liquid marking pen. Number 1 classification of marking tools is Tailor chalk. This is essential as a marker for use on materials. Tailor chalk is available in a range of color and is removed by brushing. Number 2, dressmaker's pencil. This is available in white or pastel shades. This chalk pencil is used to make fine lines on fabric. It has an erasing brush at one end. Number 3, tracing wheel. It is a tooth with a sharp point. This tool is used to transfer pattern markings to the wrong side of the fabric. This is used with the dressmaker's carbon paper. Number 4, dressmaker's carbon paper. This type of tracing paper is available in a number of colors, including white, red, and blue. It is used in marking all types of fabric. In combination with a tracing wheel, this work is based on plain, flat surface fabrics. Number 5, liquid marking pen. This is felt tip liquid marking pen. Marks may disappear after 48 hours and the other washes off. The last one is sewing tools. In sewing tools, we have number 1 is pinch, number 2 is pin cushion, number 3 is thimble, number 4 is sewing needle threader, number 5 is sewing machine needle, and then number 6 is hand needle. Number 1 is pinch. They hold pattern pieces in place, anchor seam allowance as usual, fit fabric on the body, and secure all short of skirmy trims, delicate sequins, and minuscule beads. Number 2. Pin cushion. It is used to keep pins and needles when not in use. Number 3 is thimble. A small hard-plated cup worn for protection on the finger that pushes the needle in sewing. Number 4 is sewing needle threader. It aids in putting the thread to the needle. Sewing machine needle. Sewing machine needles are graded according to diameter and length. In the system of sewing machine needle sizes, the needles for the 96 to 87 machine are of a class and variety known as 16 by 231 and are furnished in sizes 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, and 23. The last one is number 6, hand needle. It used for hand sewing is a long slender tool with a pointed tip at one end and a hole or eye at the other. That's all for today. I hope you had fun and learned. See you on next lesson. Don't forget to study.